Naro and I am kid number 3 in the show.
My name is Nagore, I'm kid number 7 in the show. My name is Nur and I am motherboard in the show.
My name is Oyan and I am Wolf 1 in the show.
My name is Aybar, I am Wolf 2 in the show.
My name is Manas, I am Wolf 3 in the show.
My name is Saki and I am third in the show.
My name is Saki and I am Naroy and I am in the show.
My name is Michael, I am the table in the show.
My name is Yuki, the dog in the show.
My name is Mike, I am carpet in the show.
My name is Mohammed, I am red in the show.
My name is Malen and I am the clock in the show. My name is Yard and I am the shopkeeper in the show. My name is Sally, I am the baker in the show.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Thank you for coming to the show. Now we are going to sing the Viva Wolf song. And now we are going to perform the story The Wolf and the Seven Little Kids.
Once upon a time, there was a man who had 7 little kids. One day she went to work the so she said,
The kids family and listen to me and children. I'm going to perform the song. People of the big family. He come and he will teach you. He's got a crossbows and nothing said. Join the melody, okay?
Okay, mother, don't worry, dear mother. We will get ourselves. We will not open the door.
So the mother went to the house to get something. A little later, there was a knock at the door.
Knock, knock, open the door, my children. Your mother and I've got something delicious for each one of you.
No, no, no. But the kids know it was not a noise.
No, no, no. We will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has sweet voice and because she's black. You are the big bad wolf. Away, away, wolfie.
Right, what can you do? Then he thinks, yes, I know. The wolf left the house and went to the shop to buy some chocolate. His made sweet and hot.
Good afternoon, Mr. Wolf. Can I help you? Yes, I know. White chat or color chat? Here you are, but you should need to know. I
and the wolf is a child adjusted to his father.
Open the door.